So we are on our way to Eiffel Tower. This is my very first time and I really want to see it at night. But before that, I'm going to show you an unfiltered view of the city. So we're just walking around from our hotel and no particular direction, as long as, and I mean no particular places to go through, as long as we end up in the place where we can view the Eiffel Tower.
Tingnan mo naman po.
It'll be alright. Uy, ang ganda ng restaurant. Oh, ititaan din ang bag. Galleries Lafayette. Bus station. The Grand Hotel. Oh, daming naka-upo. Ganito, Panteon. Or baka sa Athens. Dito tayo, Besh? Ay, may ano. Rhododendrons. Dito tayo sa Rhododendrons. And may mga fashion.
Mas eu não tô falando pra gente parar aqui pra tirar foto.
Ito ang ganda din. Kaso sa kabila. What time is it? It's already 11 p.m. At finally, we already reached the foot of Eiffel Tower. Yay! Achieve!
The food. Kasi may barricade na.
Kaso yun nga, may barricade. So talagang, I mean, nasa foot pa rin tayo. Nasa ilalim ni. Diba? Basta natin, let's observe the photo shoot of every people. This one. This one. Of course, isa kabayan. So it's 10 over 10. Oh, I like the dress of that girl. 9 over 10. Oh, may ano pa. May paro dun.
Ring light.
May ring light pa.
Hindi siya ring eh.
Hindi siya ring, pero light pang ano rin, photoshoot light. Tayo, besh, anong meron tayo?
Wall eh. Ang ating mga sarili.
Aming mga sarili lamang. Ano lang kami, taga-observe. So, there's another side that is permitted to the public, and here's another, a better view, a clearer view of Eiffel Tower. To be fair, it really looks good during nighttime for me. But that's it. I want to take some pictures, and it's already 11:20, and the train stations are going to close soon, so we better hurry up. That ends our journey. I'm tired. I wanna go home. Magnakawang nangyayari. Nahuli siya. Habol pa more. Ay. Takbo pa siya. Kaya hindi ko nakakuha ng... Kitang-kita yung pag ano, kitang-kita yung tinginan mo eh, dito sa video ko. Apo na tayo dito. Tsura mo.